Hello, how you doing? Today you're gonna make 4 really simple cucumber salads. Just giving them a little zest, a little boost, something a little bit different. 1, 2, 3, 4. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Cucumber, fresh chili, fresh mint, fresh cilantro or coriander. Lovely stuff. So we've got 2 cups of cucumber cut nice and small. 3 tablespoons of vinegar. I'm using a sugar cane white vinegar. You can use what you want. The same amount of olive oil, a little bit of salt and pepper, fresh chili to taste, and then fresh mint, fresh cilantro or coriander, about a tablespoon there, so about half a tablespoon of chili, but you can reduce that. Very simply, little mix, job done. Okay, cucumber in the bowl, fresh chili in, cilantro, coriander, fresh mint, salt and pepper, olive oil, or a different oil if you fancy a different flavor, vinegar, little mix, that's it. So you've got the cool of the cucumber and the heat of the chili. That's a lovely little cucumber salad. Okay, so on this one, really simple again, but super tasty. Cucumbers, tomatoes, flat leaf parsley, tiny amount of garlic. That's about it, job done, beautiful. So we've got 2 cups there of cucumber cut into chunkier bits than the last video we just done. Keep the skin on if you want, like I have, or take it off. 1 cup of tomato, a tablespoon of black olives chopped, a teaspoon, maybe less of a teaspoon of chopped garlic, tablespoon there of chopped parsley, the juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of nice quality olive oil. Give it a mix, salt and pepper, job done. So you can see that I've got the cucumber and tomato in there already. That's 2 to 1. Tablespoon of chopped flat leaf parsley, that tiny amount of garlic, some chopped black olives, use green of course if you want, juice of 1 lemon, couple of tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, little bit of black pepper, little bit of salt, grab a spoon, give it a mix, job done. And that's it. Very, very simple, very, very tasty. So very, very simple this one. We've just got fresh ginger, sesame seeds, cucumber and vinegar. Fantastic. So this is probably the easiest one we're going to be doing. 2 cups there of cucumber cut extremely thin, really nice and thin. 2 teaspoons of toasted sesame seeds, about 2 or 3 teaspoons of grated fresh ginger, and here's 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Again, I'm using a sugar cane vinegar. You could use something different. Really simply, we're going to give that a mix. Doesn't even need salt and pepper, this one. So when I say I've cut it thin, you can see how thin that is. Thinner the better. We're going to add the ginger, the sesame seeds and the vinegar. Like I say, I don't even find any need to add anything else. There's no salt, no pepper. That is beautiful. And that will actually be really nice in a few hours time. Very simple, very, very delicious. And that's it. Absolutely beautiful. Very simple, very fresh, tasty as hell. So with our final salad, we're going to go with tahina or tahini. So we've got 2 cups again of cucumbers, cut them into that sort of size. I've peeled them this time. 1 cup of tahini or tahina, whatever you call that, a sesame seed paste. We've got 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, salt and pepper, and then equal parts, very roughly, of fresh mint and fresh parsley here. There's about 2 tablespoons. Little mix, delicious, we're done. Okay, so let's go. We've got the cumin, the salt and the pepper, the fresh mint, the fresh parsley, or if you want cilantro, up to you, and then the 1 cup of the sesame paste, tahina or tahini, We're going to give that a mix, and it's done. It's really delicious. So that's sticky. I'm eating some right now. Sticky, nutty, well, it's beautiful. Sesame seeds there. Really, really good. That's it. So you've got 4 really simple cucumber salads. I hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.